Hi everyone, welcome to week number 3 of 808. These outcomes for this week stress the importance of theory, discerning the difference between middle range and grand theories, talking about a general overview of a research plan for a study. Also, we will discuss concepts. You have to decide on what concepts you want to focus on. And then you have to decide how you're going to measure those concepts. For example, pain is a concept. If you're going to measure pain in the study, you have to determine how you might do this. Clinically, we often use the scale, a 0 to 10 numerical rating scale, because we ask patients to identify a number. We could use that in research, or we could use any other numbers of ways of measuring pain. And we want to find reliable and valid measures. So that's something that we'll be focusing on this week. If you're thinking of looking at outcomes in a study, you have to decide on what those outcomes will be. If you want to measure the improvement of a new intervention, approach, a teaching strategy, etc., you need to decide on what kinds of outcomes you'll be isolating so that you will be able to tell if you really made a difference or not. So that relates to more quality improvement type studies, but it's similar to measures. So those are our outcomes. They're very different. Looking at concepts relates to theories. Looking at outcomes and measures is something that's a little bit different than theory type of information. So your assignments this week are to read a couple articles. There's 2 articles that I posted that I think might be of interest to you and will help you to understand the theory this week. Terry has a very short section in it, only a few pages, on theory as a basis for research. I know some of you have already looked for theories, and you may have noticed that some studies are atheoretical. They don't have any theory identified, and that's possible. Now, you don't have to use a theory, but it helps to explain what you're studying when you do draw on a theory, and it helps to build the science of nursing. So you'll have another discussion board this week, so look for that under discussions, under communication, and review all posted content for week 3. Best wishes for your success this week. See you on the board.